it's just so much excitement. I can't even, lost for words. And we're excited, we're here, okay? What's up, YouTube? We are back at it again. I am recording from Detroit because we have something special going on today. We're shooting Erin on demand. I followed her because I was so inspired by this entrepreneur babe. She's amazing and highly inspiring. She's just herself, she's genuine, and she is killing it. I absolutely love supporting and following other people, especially African American women that are just killing it, okay? She made me start YouTube. So yeah, hit your girl up, follow her, subscribe. It will be valuable to your life. Hey. Today we are doing her and her boyfriend recently got engaged. You can check out their video here. They are so cute, and I reached out and was like, oh my gosh, like I'm a photographer, let's do this. And she was like, yes. So today we're going to go hit up a few spots in Detroit. It's going to be amazing. First we're going to go over to the Detroit Institute of Art. Then we're going to hit a cool pathway that just have these cool graffiti. You know how I do. I just inspired by art. They actually wanted to do this because they have like a 90s theme. It's going to be so cute. Then we're going to end it on the rooftop. You know I love rooftops and sunsets, so we're hoping and praying for a good one tonight, and it looks pretty promising. So enjoy all the behind the scenes. I will be doing probably minimal talking, but enjoy the behind the scenes and get a glimpse of what it looks like for me to pose, direct, have fun, have my clients relax into their session. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm so putting that in there. Enjoy this YouTube video. Story time. So we are now at the Crown Plaza, Detroit. My lovely husband was in charge of taking care of all the accommodations, and he did. He did a wonderful job in booking an Airbnb that was, they show you what they want you to show, you know, good selling points, which were clean, cute, updated, so cute, modern, like it was just adorable. And the one thing we didn't know was like, this building, it was like an Airbnb, maybe a whole floor of apartments that they remodeled for the purpose of Airbnbs. But the apartment building was like an apartment building with real residents and things like that, and it was just in a real trill, side-eye, skeptical, sketchy neighborhood, okay? And you know, I have no issues with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm from DC. Need I say more? But now that I'm older and we travel and things like that, if I was by myself, I probably would have ditched the idea off back. The Uber would have arrived and I would have like, well, awesome for you. You get more money from me right now because you're going to take me to a hotel that is away from this area. But you know, we got out. It's like we're just gonna ignore it. It's fine. Everything looks sketchy at night. It was late. We're going straight to bed. No worries. But my husband, when we woke up, he was like, "Hey, babe, I went ahead and changed courses. We're gonna stay somewhere else." And I was so grateful. You guys, it's just important to research your accommodations, where you're going to stay. You're going to check out the reviews. You're going to read them all so that you can get a well-rounded opinion. Another thing that I do now is I go on Google Maps, Street View, and I take a nice little ride around the neighborhood. Period. Ain't nobody got time for that. I have 3 children I have to return home to. I have in one piece and good health, all things. So I'm just gonna be a little bit more bougie about my Airbnbs. I'm just saying. Just making sure we just have to be safe out here in these streets. You know, you just never know.